Hi! Today we were going to unbox the Corsair Carbide mid-tower gaming case.
Traveling the mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, suddenly laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer. No.
It have a minimalist exterior design with an edge-to-edge tinted side panel window. It can accommodate up to 5 120mm fans, in which one front fan is pre-installed with the case itself. On the top, we have power switch, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, source out, mic in and restart switch. In the box we got user manual, a key to unscrew the window and the cabinet. It can accommodate up to 5 120mm fans, 2 on the top, 2 on the front and 1 on the back. Let's untie the key first. The cabinet comes with a dust filter, which help to keep the PC clean. The case allows you to add up to 3 HDDs and 2 SSDs. I'm really excited to see what's inside. Let's open the case quickly. Here is the front fan. The cabinet supports up to 3 HDDs and 2 SSDs. Here is the 3 HDD mounting support. Let's see what's inside the box. Here we got some screws for mounting and some ties for cable managing. Let's have a look at the front panel cables. reset switch, power switch, power LED, HD audio, and USB 3.0 cable. The cable routing cutouts and tie downs keep your build looking clean and uncluttered. Let's review the product. The case by design is great, however, the gauge of case is very thin and flimsy. The motherboard mounting needs be a little low, as there is tight space to plug in the 6-pin cable to the board. The tight space make it really hard to install a liquid cooling system in this. The cabinet doesn't support a DVD drive. However, it's an ideal case for entry-level PC. This is the best budget cabinet for your PC. The overall design is great and give a premium look. If you like the video, do like, subscribe and comment.